The fifth and final strategy that we can use is to evaluate the phenomena that is relevant to the insight. The phenomena that a researcher chooses will affect the way they define the problem, the methods they choose, the theory they choose, and so on. This choice will eventually affect the insights they draw. For this reason, we have to be cautious about skewed understanding. One of the best ways to evaluate phenomena is through mapping. It allows us to see the various parts, the relevant disciplines, the connections between different parts, and potentially conflicts between different parts. With all the information that interdisciplinarians deal with, visuals like maps and tables can be a refreshing way to keep track of it all. Once we've completed step 6, we should have a better understanding of the problem and the relevant disciplines, theories, and insights we've identified so far. We should then be ready to move forward with integration, which we will learn more about in the next few lectures.